Today I am going to show you how to test if your sensor is NTC or PTC, and how to check what type you have. Here we have a 10K NTC. For the test, you can use a simple multimeter. Place the multimeter on the resistance measurement. Connect the multimeter to the two wires of the sensor. Measure the resistance between the two wires. There are 1K thermistors, 10K thermistors, 100K thermistor, and more. By measuring the NTC you can know which NTC you have. To know if your sensor is NTC or PTC, just grab with your hand the thermistor, and it will start heating up. If the resistance is going down while it is heating up, then it's an NTC. If the resistance is going up while it is heating up, then it's an PTC. That is it. Now you know how to determine which thermistor you have, and what type of a sensor. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.